guys, my name is Oshun the Great, and welcome to my beautiful channel. Sorry if it's really dark, but I'm trying to get this video out to you guys. I've been like slacking on daily reading, so I wanted to get your weekend reading to you at least before I start getting busy working on expanding my business in the physical realm. So let's see what's going on with you guys this weekend. Alright, so a lot of you guys are really stuck on soulmate unions and wanting to find love, but some of you guys can get out of hand with it, meaning you feel like you can't be alone. You fear being alone. You don't want to be without somebody because you feel completed with someone else. You know, stop looking at it from a lacking perspective, but more so, some of you guys hate this word, but looking inward. Self-love is all about the energy this weekend. And it's all about having fun, getting out and doing what you want, not what everyone else is telling you what to do. Live your life as you please. Alright, so this marks a new beginning today. It's death in reverse. So some of you guys are ending a cycle of poverty very, very soon. So it could be expansion of a business loan, someone wanting to invest in you, anything that you can think of. Someone could be helping you out this time. The devil in reverse. So this is also endings of past relationships, ex-lovers. Some of you guys are leveling up here shortly. And this doesn't always mean getting someone bigger or better. It means just you finally know your worth. So keep with that attitude. A lot of manifesting is going on right now. Wheel of Fortune is basically your fortune is about to change again. Death resonated with new beginnings, ending of a cycle. This is good fortune. So expect wealth, and you deserve it, and it suits you. So some of you guys who are going to be coming up at a time with big business deals and things of that nature, your wardrobe is going to be changing. You're going to be maybe changing to suits, things of that nature. I visualize like a jet life kind of ordeal, so enjoy. Alright, so King of Wands in reverse. Well, King of Wands, usually, to me, this represents someone who may be jealous of you or, you know, what you have going on. But it's in reverse, so those people can't really make a big impact unless you allow them to. So, you know, do you. Be dope, be unapologetically, like I always say. Don't care what other people think. Honestly, their goal is to hold you back. But honestly, you have to use their energy, the negative energy that people spew to you, and use it as fuel. But yeah, that's it, you guys. If you want to see more daily readings every day, you can book me on Instagram, Oshun_the Great. Peace. I'm going to the beach today, make more money in person. Peace.